Hello, dear children. In today's video, we are going to learn counting in easy and fun ways. Before we begin, dear children, please like and share my channel, Read with Prisha. Also, subscribe my channel by clicking on the bell icon to receive new videos.
One,
One,
two,
two,
three,
three,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20,
20,
21,
21,
22,
22,
23,
23,
24,
24,
25,
25,
26,
26,
27,
27,
28,
28,
29,
29,
30, 30,
30, 30,
31,
31,
32,
32,
33,
33,
34,
34,
35,
35,
36,
36,
37,
37,
38,
38,
39,
39,
40,
40,
41,
41,
42,
42,
43,
43,
44,
44,
45,
45,
46,
46,
47,
47,
48,
48,
49,
49,
50,
50,
51,
51,
52,
52,
53,
53,
54,
54,
55,
55,
56,
56,
57,
57,
58,
58,
59,
59,
60,
60,
61,
61,
62,
62,
63,
63,
64,
64,
65,
65,
66,
66,
67,
67,
68,
68,
69,
69,
70,
70,
71,
71,
72,
72,
73,
73,
74,
74,
75,
75,
76,
76,
77,
77,
78,
78,
79,
79,
80,
80,
81,
81,
82,
82,
83,
83,
84,
84,
85,
85,
86,
86,
87,
87,
88,
88,
89,
89,
90, 90,
90, 90,
91,
91,
92,
92,
93,
93,
94,
94,
95,
95,
96,
96,
97,
97,
98,
98,
99,
99,
100, 100.